when you have an amputation, it is a lifetime maintenance that is required. Uh, if you are a wheelchair bound patient, you need to change the wheelchair every now and then. You need to upgrade your wheelchair. You need to change the tires. You need to change the batteries. Same thing with the socket. You need to change the socket often. When they get older, you need to change the prosthesis. With osseointegration, there are components that you need to change as well. These are the components that are external. Dual cone, which is the connector that connects the implant to the external environment, um, has a warranty of 2 years. After 2 years, it is recommended that they get changed. That doesn't mean that they require to be changed, but it is recommended that they get changed because there is a risk of fatigue. The connector that connect the implant to the prosthesis require changing as it wears, and the prosthesis that they wear, whether it's an above knee prosthesis or a below knee prosthesis, that require changing. Unfortunately, it is not like changing your shoes. Like anything else in life, you change cars, you change tires. This will require changing as well.